where we discuss various topics needed for everyone's life in the pursuit of certain identities and brands for yourself. Welcome, I am Gokul Seshan, having 33 plus years of experience in the industry. Sometimes it is going to be just me talking to you, and many other times it may be we have some guests, and with them we may be using either remotely or in the studio itself, and to have discussions like panel discussions, or it could be interviews, or it could be seminars or podcasts. And sometimes we plan to have conferences as well on various topics of interest to sections of the society, basically to engage, educate and inspire people to have the required knowledge for everyone. There is another thing that is unusual about this video channel is that you, in case if you choose to watch us, you can be a very active participant by placing your suggestions in the comment, as well as maybe mailing across to us, and we would like to know more about what you intend to do, what you want from us, so that will help us to deliver to your needs. We are going to be very careful in paying attention to all the comments of you and the number of likes and those comments received. Not just the video, actually the comments received. That is going to be evident that people like the kind of suggestions you are making. So in the comment section, if you place any constructive criticism, give us a prize in case if you wish to like, and most importantly, it is going to be a place for you to make suggestions about what you would like to hear from us, more about it, more of what the contents we are going to discuss about it, and we will respond to that. So if you have any suggestions for topics now or later, please do come back to this video or any of your comments to any of the videos. You can make it appropriately. So please put them in the comment section below. Consciously, we are not going to shatter any of your psyche or shaking your confidence or creating any kind of fear or any kind of fear for that matter, just to gain viewership. And we are very conscious about that. And not only that, but also we are not going to be having a fanfare kind of a video channel like what others would do normally. It is not an entertainment, it is not a political, it is not any of those things which you otherwise watch. It is basically a kind of a knowledge oriented, knowledge sharing oriented videos we will be presenting to you, and that means it will be simple and realistic to the best of our abilities, that you just need to pay attention. That is the only one we expect you to do in order to gain the required knowledge or industrial experience. And if you are coming to this a little bit later, please provide or upvote for the things that you would like to hear from us more about. And obviously don't vote for the ones which you would like to hear least about us, or less about the things which you don't want to hear or discuss. Very last but certainly not the least, I am very much appreciative of your interest in topics we discuss here. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I look forward to seeing you in every video, and do support as well as do get benefited. Thank you. This is Gokul, seeing you.